Right, I'm gonna try to do me a little video today here on boiling some water with a Sterno, and I got my little Hobo stove here, and that's what I'm going to use to do the boiling with. And I know a lot of people on the internet says you can't boil water with Sterno, but if you use something kind of like this little Hobo stove, and you've got the Sterno in the bottom and it's vectoring all the heat straight up to the top of the container, it does pretty good. And I don't know if I'll just have to split this video up with time. I don't have a stopwatch other than on my phone, so which I'm using the film with. But anyway, I got probably about 2 cups of water, and I'm fixing to get this all set up, and we'll see what it looks like here. Alright, so I got my little stove there set up, and probably got about 2 cups of water, and I'm going to go ahead and start this, and I'll tell you about what time it's taking to get everything to going and starting to boil and all that. But anyway, you can see the flames going. Now you can't hardly see it, but see there, you might can see a flame shooting up a little bit there. You can hear it. Anyway, we're gonna get the water on, and there we go. You can see it better now. You can see the flame down there in the little stove, and I just took a little old church key and got me some holes punched in the side there, and it's got me some little old tent stake, little rods that I trimmed off, and that's what I use every now and then, and it works pretty good. But you can see the water pretty stable now. It's not warm or anything, no boil, of course, but I'm gonna give it a minute here and we'll see what we can come up with. So I'm gonna try to get me some time scale down here, and I'll probably just edit it into the video there. Okay, well, it's been probably about 1.5 minutes, maybe 2 minutes, and we already got bubbles there starting to form in the bottom of the cup, and every now and then one will rise to the top there. But it's probably about, I'd say it's probably about 72 degrees out here today. It's not very cool, it's not hot or cool, or cold, but by no means. So we're just in mediocre temperatures, so we'll see what we can get to do with this Sterno here, and see if we can reach it to boiling temperature a little quicker than I normally do. Now sometimes in colder weather, of course, it's going to take longer, and if the wind's blowing, but one thing that's good about this, it kind of shields the Sterno pretty good. And so, yeah, like I say, it's all in the setup. Now if I had a little open stand of some sort down here, it probably wouldn't do near as good, but with the little Hobo stove set up, you know, it's a lot different. And I say, yeah, I know it's going to do it quicker in hotter weather, but it's probably about, I'd say about 72 degrees out, maybe 68, 72, I'm not sure, but I think we're in the 70s, so I'm going to say around 70 something, and we'll just see what we can do with it from there. So anyway, I'll be back in a little bit. Alright, probably about 4 minutes in, and starting to get more bubbles now, but I'm just kind of roughly giving an estimate about what it's doing out here. And I know different conditions is going to be variable on the outcome of it there, but a lot of variables going on and stuff. But anyway, it's just to give a general idea of what you can expect with this type of setup. So anyway, it's about 4 minutes, and It's going to take a little while though to bring it to a full boil, but anyway, I'll be back. Alright, well here we are at probably about 6 minutes, somewhere around in through there. And I don't know if you can tell or not, but we done got some good smoke coming off of there. And starting to form a good bit of bubbles, and they're starting to rise to the top. But still no boil, not a rolling boil yet. And that's what I'm after, is a rolling boil. So that's what we're looking at around 6.5 minutes. So, see what we come up with here. Alright, well, here we are at about 8 minutes or so. I'm not saying exactly 8 minutes, we're just around the 8.5 minute mark, and we're starting to get a rolling boil now. In fact, I guess you could say that's pretty much a rolling boil. It happened pretty quick. I tried to get the camera out there, but anyway, it's well less than 10 minutes. And I say in cooler weather it takes me longer, but it's around 70 something degrees. So there we are with the Sterno. And like I say, I know this application here will force it to boil a little quicker. It's channeling all that heat straight up into the cup. And we had a good rolling boil, so I'm probably going to grab me some pine needles, make me a little bit of pine needle tea. But anyway, just wanted to shoot this quick video, and kind of late trying to do it, but anyway, better late than never, I guess. But I accidentally bumped my power button there, but as you can see, that's with a Sterno. And so works pretty good. So if you don't have anything else, you know, with this particular setup, you can cook on it, boil your water. It'll take you longer in the winter time, and I don't know about extreme winter conditions. It doesn't get much colder than generally. I mean, we have some freezing temperatures, maybe get in the 20s a little bit, but that's about all that we've been having here lately. So, but anyway, here we go, boiling water with Sterno. I'm out. Catch y'all later.